This is my wind generator, ceiling fan wind generator. I want to show you my other one. Get up over here. I have this one right here that I'm testing out. I'm getting a lot of wind right here, but this is I'm just testing it out. It's working great. I want to show you how I have it hooked up to the battery bank. Each one of the wind generators is hooked up to a rectifier. There's the other one. There's both of them at the same time. And they go directly into the battery. Each rectifier has 3 diodes. This one I'm using 2 diodes, that one I'm using 3, doesn't matter. So I have plans for that one. That's hooked up into my battery bank here. And these things are spinning like crazy. That one's spinning like crazy. I don't know if you can see that one. Let me see if I can. Yeah, my zoom don't work, but you can see it in the background. So, by having both of these connected over here with separate rectifiers, even if I'm getting 7 volts on each wind generator, the battery don't know. The battery thinks it's 14 volts coming in, and that's with low winds. Where the charge controller, you can't hook up 2 wind generators to a charge controller. So eventually I'm going to move this one onto this board. I'm going to add 2 more, so that'll be a total of 4 rectifiers and 4 wind generators. Get some snow here. Wow. I'm up here in Pennsylvania. Let's see how this one is doing real quick. Yeah, I just wanted to tell you about the battery and how to hook them up to the battery. This one is slowing down. It'll start up again now. I definitely have to change the blades. I gotta get better blades on here. Here comes the secondary wind, the lower wind. It's gonna start spinning up again. And that's what I wanted to show you. This is an update on my solar power. And if you need to build one of these, look up the muddymudmann on YouTube. He's got a lot of videos out on how to build these, and you'll be able to build these too. These things work great. He has a different setup for the tail and everything. I had this, it's all I got right now, so I had to put it up on top of here, had to rig it up, and I'm just getting a little twist on my wire. Usually I don't get that, but it's so windy, it's blowing in all different directions, so and that swivel is from an old chair, computer chair. It's very windy here. These are both hooked up to the battery. And they spin pretty easily. You can see how they spin. They definitely charge up your batteries when you have wind. That's the thing. When you have the wind. I definitely have to get this up about 15 feet higher. But that's how you hook up the batteries. is the best way that I figured out how to hook them up finally. So I was getting a lot of conflicts using my charger controller for my solar panels. You'll learn how to figure out these wires, which ones to connect, which ones not to connect, and Mudman videos will show you all that. Thanks for watching. And these things really crank up when you get to hit the right wind. Okay, I'm going to cut this video. Enjoy it, and thanks for watching.